Alright, once again, I am requesting everyone to please settle down, make yourselves comfortable, and please direct your attention in front of the store as the program is about to start. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen! Ayay, parang hindi ata nakapag-breakfast ang mga tao ngayon ah. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen! Alright, I would like to welcome you all to the grand opening of our Honda Tria shop in partnership with Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. So, it is a very beautiful sunny day today, and I am sure everyone is excited to be a part of the shop opening. I am Dario Di Catalini Jr. and I will be your host for today, and I would like to welcome you all to the Honda 3S grand opening. Before anything else, I would like to introduce our guests and VIPs from HBI, Motor Trade, as well as our local LGU. So first and foremost, from our dealer partner, Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation, we have Mr. Fernando Gozo, our regional manager. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Next, we have Miss Marisa Ibarola, our area manager for Leyte, Samar, and Bigyuan area. For Honda Philippines, we have Mr. Marvin Magnaye, our section manager for MC Sales. We have Mr. Anthony Gamba, our accounts supervisor for MC Sales. And we have Mr. Gary Atondukan, our retail supervisor for MC Sales. And of course, we are very blessed today, because we are joined by our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Archie Barilla. And together with him, we have our Barangay Captain, Honorable Merly Casas. And we would also like to acknowledge our lessor, Mrs. Susan Parilla. Last but not least, our officiating priest for today, we have Reverend Father Antonio Sibilia. Okay, without so much ado, let's proceed to the next part of our program. To begin this momentous event, we will have the ribbon cutting of the store. So may I request Mr. Fernando Gozo, our regional manager for Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation, and our section manager for MC Sales, Mr. Marvin Magnaye, to proceed here in front, and they will be joined by our Vice Mayor, Honorable Archie Parilla, for our ceremonial ribbon cutting. All right. Before anything else, photo op, a quick photo op. So for the information of everyone, the ribbon cutting ceremony symbolizes new beginnings for this new building of Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. All right, I guess everyone has had their fill of their photo op. We will now cut the ribbon on my cue. In 3, 2, 1. All right. Congratulations, Honda Philippines Incorporated and Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. The Honda Tria shop here in Naval Biliran is now officially open. Of course, this event will not be made possible without the grace of our loving God. So we would like to offer our thanks for gathering all of us today, and we request for guidance and blessings so we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. May we call on our officiating priest. We have Reverend Father Antonio Sibilia to lead our blessing proper, and he will be assisted by our branch manager, Miss Ruby Ann Felice, for the route of blessing.
Sa ngalan samahan, sa Anak, ug sa Espiritu Santo, ang Ginoo maanaakan ninyo. Mga igsoon, magpasalamat kita sa Dios sa tanan ng mga grasya nga atong nadawat. Pasalamat kita sa mga kahimanan. Pasalamat kita sa kinabuhi o magpasalamat kita sa panginabuhi. Ining tindahan, paghahatag ka nato at buli para sa ato ang mga katawhanon na pagmamahal. Usa, mangayo kita sa pasay, sa grasya sa Diyos, at sa mga grasya na o ikinahanglan sa tanan. Kinahanglan sa tanan na anhi mo trabaho o musulod dining maong buhatan. Ang Ginoo maanaakan ninyo. Pagbasa kinutlo gikan sa Santos nga Ebanghelyo sumala ni San Lucas. Si Jesus mingon, bisan diing balay ang kamo moabot, unahan ninyo ang pag-ingon, ang panagdait maania niining balaya. Kung dito may nagpuyo na mahigugmaon sa pagkigdait, ibilin kaniya ang inyong panghinaot sa pagkigdait. Kung wala, ang inyong panghinaot sa pagkigdait, mubalik ra kaninyo. Ang Ebanghelyo sa atong kaluwasan. Karon mga igsoon, mag-ampo kita para sa bendisyon na atong ikinahanglan o kanatong sa tanan nga nagtrabaho ini lagi na sa tanan nga nagtrabaho ini maong buhatan. O Dios, sa imong maalamon nga pag-amuma, ikaw malipayon na nanalangin sa tanang mamumuo o sa mga buhat sa among kamot o una-una. Itugot nga ang tanang magtrabaho ni ining maong opisina, pinaluyuhan sa imong giya o pag-agap, makabaton sa gustong mga desisyon o magpatuman niini uban sa kaangayan. Bendisyon ni Ginoo kining maong buhatan. Bendisyon ni ang tanan na magtrabaho dinhi o bendisyon ni ang tanan ang musulod dinhi na sa ilahang pagdumala o pag-abi-abi sa tanan nga musulod dinhi ang tanan magpakita sa kaayo sa Ginoo. Kini among gipangayo pinaagi ni Hesukristo na among Ginoo. Dampo kita sa kamahan namo sa himaya ka Maria o sa kahimaya sa Dios alang sa intentions tanan nga niya ni aming lugar. Amahan namo na anaa sa mga langit, pagdaygo ng imong ngalan, umabot ka namo ang imong gingharian, matuman ang imong pagbuot dinhi sa yuta maingon sa langit. Maghimaya ka Maria, na puno ka sa grasya, ang Ginoong Diyos manaakan nimo. Bulahan ikaw sa mga babaeng tanan, nung bulahan man ang bunga sa tiyan mo na si Jesus. Himaya sa Amahan, sa Anak o sa Espiritu Santo. Karon atong libuton ang palibot ug ang sulod ni maong buhatan. Awito nato ang Virgin Maria. Sa oras na ikaw ay pabangan mo kami. Ang Ginoo maanaa kaninyo o petisyonan kita sa makagagahom nga Dios, Amahan, Anak o Espiritu Santo. Ama, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Reverend Father Antonio Sevilla, for conducting the blessing of this shot. Now for the next part of our program, we will have the traditional coin showering, as this signifies abundance and we claim for the financial blessings and sales opportunities to flow into this store. Requesting kindly the coins. And requesting the usher to kindly proceed in front, inside of the shop. And may I call on our Regional Manager of Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation, Mr. Fernando Gozo, Mr. Fernando Gozo, and the Section Manager of Honda Philippines Incorporated for MC Sales to facilitate our coin showering. And we would like to request no, yung mga riders, Arita na rin atay ipasaboy nga sinsiyo. And candies for everyone. Requesting all the riders to come join us here. Tanan. Pwede mo join. Arita sa salot, sir. Sa loob po tayo para sa ating coin showering. Requesting all the riders to come and join us here for our traditional coin showering. Sunod. Pasok po tayo, pasok. Sunod na tanan. Manhatag pa ng free coins. And also, we would like to request today our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Archie Manilla, to assist also in the showering of coins. All right. Is everyone settled down? Okay, I guess everyone is settled down. We will now start the coin showering in 3, 2. Okay, napay nagpaabot, napay gusto mga pas. We will now start the coin showering in 3, 2, 1. Alright. Good blessings, financial stability for this branch.
Papel o tatunog, papel ba? Di mo sa ganta. Patingting mo na.
Alright, thank you everyone for participating in our traditional coin showering. So may I request, if we had already our fill, to kindly proceed here in front, outside the shop, because we will now proceed with the next part of our program. Daghang nakapaldo na, paldo. Okay, I guess that's everyone. Once again, we're inviting everyone to kindly proceed na po here in front as we will now proceed with the next part of our program. All right. To proceed, as we continue with the program, it is my great pleasure to introduce to you the ever-supportive Regional Manager of Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation to give his welcome remarks. May I call on Mr. Fernando Gozo.
Good morning.
Tapa deh.
And so, welcome with Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation's new branch at Nabal, Biliran. And this is our first Honda 3S so far in Region 8. So, si Nabal yung kaunahon-unahan namin na nag-carry ng exclusive Honda motorcycles na dinidisplay namin at binibenta. So far dito yung first ever in Nabal. And thank you Vice for coming and celebrating with us, kay Chairman and of course the owner of the building, kay Ma'am, for the opportunity na kami ay napagbigyan at makapag-start with another branch here in Nabal. So far, Motor Trade, by the way, is the largest motorcycle dealer nationwide. And we brag, kami yung number one so far. And we are also a market driver pagdating po sa motorcycle dealer. And Motor Trade Nabal H3S will be catering, starting from now, exclusively Honda motorcycles. Kahit po yung mga regular bikes up to the big bikes, kaya po namin yung i-carry with Motor Trade Honda 3S naman. And of course, our service, pwede po magpa-service kahit hindi po nakakuha sa Motor Trade as long as Honda products at Honda motorcycle ang binadrive ninyo, pwede po kayo magpa-service dito kay Motor Trade Nabal. And of course, we are also selling genuine parts coming from the Honda. Pagka magpapaservice po kayo, bili lang kayo ng genuine parts to make your products, your motorcycle, tumagal po yung buhay. And now, I am officially welcoming everyone for and as we celebrate our day of opening in Motor Trade Naval Branch Biliran. Thank you and enjoy the day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Fernando Gozo, for that wonderful message. And today, we are very honored not to be joined by Honda Philippines Incorporated all the way from Batangas. To give his congratulatory message, may I call on the section manager of MC Sales. We have Mr. Marvin Magnay.
Okay, good morning po sa Naval Biliran. So, to our valued dealer partner, Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation, headed by Regional Manager Sir Fernando Gozo, and our area manager, Ms. Marisa Ibarola, and also thank you Sir Vice Mayor Archie Parilla, and Susan Parilla. Thank you po for pag-allow po na mag-put-up kami ng business dito po sa establishment ninyo. And also kay Barangay Captain Amerly Casas, kay Father Antonio Sevilla na nag-bless po ng store natin. And most importantly dun sa mga riders po natin, maraming salamat po. So ito pong event na ito hindi namin maisa sa katuparan kung wala po yung pakikisa nyo dito sa opening natin. Maraming salamat po and enjoy po natin yung araw natin. Then today, gaya na banggit ni Sir Fernando, today is very special day both for Motor Trade and Honda Philippines. Bakit? Kung sinabi ni Sir Fernando na ito yung first dito na Honda 3 shop ng Motor Trade sa Naval, ito naman Luzon and Visayas is ika 117th branches nila ng Motor Trade sa Honda 3 shop. Then pagdating naman po sa Honda Philippines, ika 812 na po ng Honda Philippines nationwide itong pinutap po namin na branches dito sa Naval. Kaya talagang napaka-special po itong araw natin na to. And then we still continuously expanding po nationwide para po mapagsilbihan lahat ng mga customers natin at maibigay kung ano yung mga pangangailangan nilang motorsiklo nationwide. And for MNC and HPI, hindi lang po kami nagbebenta ng motorsiklo. So we are also catering yung service So inaalagaan po namin yung mga motorsiklo. So yung mga existing customers po natin, so ready na po yung customer service po natin para bigyan po ng pag-aalaga yung motorsiklo natin. Ika nga ni Motor Trade is sa Motor Trade alaga ka dito. So rest assured po, together with the Motor Trade and Honda Philippines, ipo-continue po namin na magbigay ng magandang serbisyo po sa lahat ng mga Honda motorcycle users. So on behalf of Honda Philippines President, Mr. Takeshi Kobayashi, we would like to extend our congratulations to Motor Trade Nationwide Corporations and let us enjoy the day. Maraming salamat po.
All right, may I request Mr. Marvin Magnaye to kindly remain in front. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the LG representative in behalf of our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Gretchen Espina. We have Ms. Mayeth Ibio. Ma'am, good morning and welcome to our grand opening project. Okay, so for the next part, may I request Mr. Fernando Gozo to proceed in front as we will be having the ceremonial turnover of our wall marker. Alright, medyo nagka-logistics issue lang sa ating wall marker. Mahal kasi ang gasolina. We will be waiting for a short while. By the way, if you would like to avail different Honda products, you can visit the official website of Honda Philippines Incorporated. We have www.hondaph.com, or you can also visit the official Facebook page of our valued dealer partner, Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation Naval Biliran. Alright, here is our motor wall marker. Allow me to read the citation. Certificate of Accreditation, Honda Trade Nationwide Corporation, Naval Biliran, with its absolute commitment and undertaking to provide Honda customers the highest level of total customer satisfaction in compliance with the motorcycle local business standards and policies, is hereby certified as a Honda Tria shop, inaugurated April 28, 2026. Signed, Chomel Herezo, Vice President, Sales and Marketing. Signed, Mr. Takeshi Kobayashi, President, Honda Philippines Incorporated, year 2026. All right, a quick photo op with the turnover of our wall marker. Okay, sir, kindly remain in front, and may I request our VIPs from the LGU as well as the HPI and MNC, Honorable Vice Mayor and our LGU representative to kindly proceed here in front and join our area manager for Honda Philippines as well as our regional manager. Alright? Just a quick photo. Alright, Honda number one. Honda number one. Okay, Honda number one. A quick photo. Alright, congratulations, Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. Wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Para kitang goto na ang atong mga kwata. Alright, to proceed with the next part of our program, we are very privileged to be joined by our LGU dito sa ating opening. So we have here our Honorable Vice Mayor, Honorable Archie Parilla, to give his message.
Good morning, everyone! In behalf sa atong madasigong mayor, Mayor Gretchen Stephanie Espina, na adiriyang representative karon, our former councilor, Mayen Tibio, our barangay chairman, Cap Merly Casas, our former mayor, Susan Parilla, and sa atong mga managers, na naadiri karon, ug sa tanan, naadiri atong mga riders, may buntag, naluya na. Rides pa ta. So, it is with great pride and gratitude that we extend our warmest congratulations to our valued lessee, Motor Trade Naval, and to the dedicated individuals behind its success. Today we celebrate not just a new business, but a vital partner in enhancing mobility, creating jobs, and boosting our local economy. Motor Trade's presence here underscores our shared commitment to making Naval a hub of opportunity for every resident. Thank you to our dedicated team, business partners, and the people of Naval for making this possible. Once again, congratulations and thank you for being a vital part of our municipality's progress. Once again, good morning everyone and thank you.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Honorable Archie Parilla, for that wonderful message. Of course, this branch would not be operational without our lovely ladies and gentlemen who will be serving you as the ano ba tawag dito? Yung mga mag-a-assist sa inyo dito sa ating Honda Tria shop. Of course, we will introduce the lovely ladies and gentlemen of this branch. And may I call on the BCA, the cluster head, Mr. Daryl Astillero, to introduce our branch staff.
Alright, good morning everyone. First of all, gusto ko mag-acknowledge, magpasalamat to our clients, their customers. Thank you. Because of you, mga ma'am and sir, Motor Trade Naval is not only one, two, but now we are 3 branches here in Naval. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, kahapon nag-meeting kami. Last year, ang market share ng motor trade alone, mas mataas kami compare sa ibang dealer, combine na sila. This year lang medyo konti na ano kami dahil sa struggle kami sa inventory, but because of this branch, I'm confident na maging top 1 na ulit kami. Combine sila. So, I will introduce the VIPs, no? Headed by Marvin Magnay, Section Manager of Honda. Account Supervisor, Anthony Camba. Retail Supervisor, Gary Atondukan. To our VIP MNC, Fernando Goso, Regional Manager. Marisa Ibarula, Area Manager. And of course, our Vice Mayor, Vice, thank you for coming. Archie Parilla. Our dear Lisor, Susan Parilla. Barangay Captain, Merly Casas. LGU, Mama Itibio, and to all vloggers, mauningindot after sa event no, ang nag-cover documentation nga ato makita. Sir Leonard Olaer, sir, thank you sa time. Sir John Rizalot, sir. Si Risting Pabli, nakita na ko ganina. And to all na fail to mention, thank you for coming. And this time, please join me to introduce the backbone of this branch. We are not just an employee or staff, but truly the heart of this organization. No. To start, para gutom na siguro. To start, motor trade is consist of 2 departments. We start sa after sales, no, from branch operation management department. So headed by no other than their branch customer service head, Ruby Ann Kulisi. So usa ni siya sa haligi sa motor trade po. Siya ang mag-oversee sa overall process ni motor trade, performance, mission and vision of the company. Next, the cash custodian, the centralized over the collection, reporting financial assets of the company, Glenda Garillo. Next, our branch secretary. Siya yung in charge sa documentation, sales processes, and also the heart of administration. So, si Angie Albino, our branch secretary. Alright. The last, under branch customer service head, our after sales personnel, our branch mechanic. So sila po yung in charge sa pre-delivery inspection, inventory, check ng troubleshooting. Si Eric Hillison, please come on stage. Si yung kaka-deploy lang today, si Johnny Mar. Right. So we'll go to Sales Operation Management Department. Of course, yours truly, Cluster Head, Mr. Daryl Astillero. Under my supervision, our marketing assistants in charge to all inquiries, mag-assist ng mga applications. First, Jeter Barquillo, our branch-based marketing assistant. Second marketing assistant is Russell Sanyusa. Last but not the least, parts in charge, inventory, our parts custodian, Mr. Leo Olia. Okay, kompleto na po.
branch staff, please remain in front. And I would like to call our HPI management as well as the management of motor trade as well as our LGU to kindly proceed in front to join our staff. Please adjust, assurance, kindly assist, maka-front po tayo, maka-group photo. Kindly assist mga assurance, please. Magkasya po, alright. Alright, photo up now in 3, 2, 1. Alright, Honda number 1. Alright, please remain in front as I call on our riders as well as yung mga sakuan natin, no, everyone. We are inviting everyone to kindly join here in front for a quick photo op. Harit lang mga ma'am sir, kadali lang. Mag-feature na to commemorate this activity. So adjust na lang ta, please ko assist mga assurance na maka-adjust. Masul tanan, palihog. Ito sa may atubangan, no? Please adjust everyone. Masul lang. Sige, dali. Alright. Okay. We will have the photo up now in 3, 2, 1. Alright. On the number 1. On the number 1, everyone. Okay. Thank you. You may now return to your locations. Thank you, everyone. And once again, congratulations to Honda Philippines and Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. So as we conclude this morning's program, I would like to call again our cluster head, Mr. Darrell Astillero for the, Ma'am Marisa for the closing remarks. Ma'am Marisa, Ibarola, our area manager for the closing remarks.
Hello. Good morning to our valued guests, local government officials, business partners on the Philippines, loyal customers, and the hardworking team of Motor Trade Naval. Thank you all once again for gracing this special occasion and making our grand opening a truly memorable and successful one. Once again, thank you for your warm welcome and support. Congratulations, MSC Naval Trade.
Alright, thank you for that. And with that, it concludes our grand opening and blessing program for this morning. I've been your host, Dario Di Catarini Jr. And I would like to congratulate again Honda Philippines Incorporated and Motor Trade Nationwide Corporation. Honda Tria Shop here in Naval Biliran is now officially open. Enjoy the rest of the day. Later, by 3 p.m. we'll be having a live band, and I guess the food is ready.